Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be testing past the honey. It's a honeycomb that comes, I think, originally from Turkey, if I'm not mistaken, but it's the #1 rated brand in the world of honeycomb. This is what it looks like. I have a clip that I will insert from the car earlier. These are the little single serve honeycomb packets.
Yeah.
It really is. Oh, that's.
You gonna pop this open? No, we're just gonna open it.
I love the packaging.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys ready?
Real authentic
Honeycomb. You can eat
Like
everything about it. You can eat the wax. It has really good health benefits. And this is a 1 serving size.
It's finna get messy.
So you pick it out. You see it all stringy. And you ready? You gonna put the whole thing in your mouth?
No, I'm gonna take half a bite first.
Alright.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Good.
Oh yeah.
Like, this makes you not want to. Hold on, sweet. I can smell that little bit. Ow, a bit more.
Real good, but too much wax. It was hard to chew up and swallow.
I got a little piece this time.
I got a lot. Hold on.
This is what it looks like. It's like a little.
Really like chewing gum.
Yeah, and it's better for you than chewing gum.
I'm gonna tell you, this do not taste like store-bought honey at all.
Like, this is really good. It doesn't even have. I can't even talk. It doesn't even have a floral taste. It's like very light. It's good. I tried a little bit with a biscuit earlier. I forgot to vlog that part.
You'll go put up in vlogging all day. You know, vlog about this.
This is the wax part, the beeswax.
You get a reason why we didn't do that, because we went to Popeyes, got us a little 3-piece and a biscuit. So really, we're gonna try it with the biscuits. But it just right when we busted open and just got into it, that vlog went out the window. And so thought we'd just give y'all an update.
That was good.
Right.
We only have one left. Want to share it?
One. I forgot.
You want to share it?
Yeah, let's eat it.
Also, usually a little puddle left, like a honey. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can.
Look at the other one. You didn't bring it. Nothing. Got any wax.
The one I had, it didn't have as much wax as this.
The one I had, the first one we ate, it didn't have a lot of wax on it.
I think it's the way you bite it. This one, you can kind of see one of the honeycomb pattern. I'm definitely gonna order some more. Y'all hear it? It pops a little bit. All right, you want me to bite it first? Or you?
Go ahead, you get a first bite.
Well, I'm gonna bite it again, so we gotta take real small bites.
No, it's gonna be half, so you get the first. Alright. Go ahead, get you another bite.
Hand so you can see how it
Get
comes
you
out.
another bite.
I only literally
Bite the half, because the rest of it gonna be mine. There you go.
It's good. That one was a little stronger. Like in flavor?
Good. It's amazing what this world gives us. You put this on anything too, y'all. Anything.
You can put it in acai bowl. You can put it in yogurt.
Put it on your toast. And that's why it's how it changes your life.
Eat it by itself.
The chicken.
With chicken, with bread. However you like your honey, try that. I had a little piece of beeswax right here and I just ate it. It wasn't, because it's so small.
Depending on how much it is.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, comment below and let us know what you want us to try next, and we will try to upload it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know this isn't my third finger, but I'm holding this. So, again, thank you for watching. Have a good day.